Good morning, lovelies. How are you all doing? Thank you all so much for your love and support. I really appreciate. I'm BB Physiofood, a content creator based in Germany. I make videos about natural hair care, lifestyle, food, kids hairstyles, and video is a day in my life as a new mom of four. I'll be taking you through my day, the activities I do throughout the day. I'm just making some pancakes with the kids for breakfast. That is what they decided that they want to eat today. So I'll make the pancake for them while they will be eating. Then I'll go and do laundry.
And a small pumpkin. The fish.
Tom, that is where you can buy them from, or you can even order them from Amazon if you want. They are very good.